I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you a project that I was working on today. So this is a little bit different from what you might normally see from my videos, but it is coding, so let's get started. So this is a project that, it didn't take that long, but anyway. It's a project for science, and it's about 1D motion kinematics. So let me just open the file here. It's right here. And it's an HTML file, so yeah, there we go. Okay, so it's a little project that I've been working on, and it's basically a whole list of things that you might want to know for 1D kinematics. So for example, well, here, first of all, let's read what are 1D kinematics. So what are 1D kinematics? Basically, kinematics analyzes the positions and motions of objects as a function of time, without regard to the causes of motion. It involves the relationship between the quantities displacement, d, velocity, v, acceleration, a, and time, t. 1D kinematics is the study of motion, speed, and graphs of moving objects, like a car. A very random car. A very random car. You can learn more in this course. And here's a button, back to home page. Okay, so this is just something that I just wanted to try and make, so let's go through each one and see if we can make sense of it. So let's start off with the first one. Distance. Okay, so this one, okay. So total distance traveled. What could that be? Okay, so as you can see here, the SI unit here is meters, so that means that it's measured in meters. Well, the SI version of it is measured in meters. So what does total distance traveled mean? Total distance traveled, d, is the total length of the path traveled, i.e. the path length. D is equal to the sum of all the lengths traveled, where d is the total distance traveled, sigma, I don't think it's called sigma, but whatever. Sigma means the sum. I just said sigma again, didn't I? This symbol means the sum of, I think it's called sum. It means the sum of, i.e. adding up all the values of. And L is the path length of an individual segment, which is always positive. So for example, here's the initial position and the final position. So for example, here's L1, L2, and L3. And note that even if you go backwards, it's still positive. We just want to know the distance, not the total, not the change in distance. We just want to know the distance. So we're going to add L1 plus L2 plus L3. Okay, and as you can see, there's a handy next button. Okay, wow, amazing. I wonder who coded this. Okay, so displacement, change in x. So SI unit meters. Strange. No, that actually makes sense, because displacement is change in, it's just change in the x position, so that it would be measured in x. What does displacement mean? Displacement is the difference between the final position and the initial position. Change in x is equal to x minus x naught, where this symbol here is delta, meaning the change in, which is also equal to the final minus the initial. Final minus the initial. Yes. And the change in x is the displacement. X is equal to the final position, and x naught is equal to the initial position. Displacement x is just the difference between the final and the initial position. Okay, oh look, there's a handy back button, and a back to home page. Let's go next. By the way, I'm not going to be going through all. Look, we have a lot to go through. We're just going to go through maybe one more. Yes, so, speed. SI unit is measured in meters per second. That makes sense. Okay, speed is the rate. What does speed mean? Speed is the rate of distance per time, unlike velocity, which is a rate of displacement per time. Average speed is the rate of distance per time over a large time interval. Instantaneous speed is the rate of distance per time at a particular instance of time. S is equal to distance over t. Change in whatever, change in t is equal to the change in time. Okay, and here's a little diagram for the speed. Okay, so you're probably wondering how I made all this. Well, lots of help from Google, that's for sure, but okay, so I should have gotten this ready beforehand. Anyway, I am just gonna go to open my text editor, open, and I'm just going to open that, open that. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, I have a lot of files for all of these. What is this mess here? This mess is what I've been working on pretty much all day, maybe like half the day. Let me just sort some of these because they were sorted beforehand. What is kinematics? All the way over here you go. Okay, they're all sorted now. Okay, so at the start you can see, what is this mess? Wow, lots of colors and lots of code. This is all a program language called HTML. You can see that right here, and right here, and also down here. Anyway, this is called HTML, and you can ignore this bit of code right here. This is called CSS, which is just... Sorry, I'm just cleaning up my code here. Yeah. And for example, this width here, I had a lot of fun with this. If you set it to something like, what, like 100%, it's funny. Looks like that, which I don't like. So I'm gonna set that back to 30. I'm guessing you're wondering how I can get this so I can read it for myself. By the way, if you want me to make a video of me just reading all these, go ahead. You can just put it in the comments below and I will listen, I guess. So yes, I will listen. And if enough people say, yeah, I want you to read out all these, because just because, then I'll try to do that. Okay, so I bet you're wondering how I can download this for myself. First thing you might notice is I said download. It's not a website. As you can see up here in the address bar, you can see that it actually says file right here. File. It says file right here. And also, what is this address? It's like file / / users / Ethan Kwan / down blah 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 blah. Okay, so I will be putting a .zip file down below in the the description. I'll be putting the link in the description to download this file. I already have the right here, this zip file right here. This zip file. I should show you what's in the file, by the way. This is what you should see. Well, let me just extend that. This is what you should see if you are in Chrome or if you're on some kind of computer and you open this up. Now, this is a big mess. Don't worry about some of it. Just worry about the let's change that. Just search for the 1D kinematics.html. I'm sorry, I should have named that better. I should have named that start the script or whatever. I'm also going to be adding a readme.txt file and whatever else. I'll also be adding instructions at the top here, because, people might get confused. Okay, so, yes, the download link will be in the description, and yeah, so, so you will be able to look at this. I just made this for a cheat sheet kind of thing, I'm studying for a test, what do I do? Just cheat, yeah. Okay, so, thanks for watching. I will put the link in the description below. Also, thank you for watching, and have fun, I guess. Have fun looking through this. If you find any bugs, by the way, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, like, and share this channel with others. And if you didn't, you can hit that dislike button, whatever you want. Yeah, so thank you for watching. See you at howtodostufwithethan.com. Yes, I said it right this time. howtodostufwithethan.com, and see you next time.